This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this Excel tips and tricks video, I will be teaching you various ways of inserting the rows. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, and if you need any of our courses or packages with a very less price, please do contact us. We will be providing a link to download the offline videos and you can learn all the courses and packages without using internet. You just have to contact the numbers mentioned below or the email IDs. So you will be getting a link and you can get your copy. Right. Let's see how we can insert the rows in Excel. There are various ways. I'll be teaching you one by one. Let's go to first option. I want to insert a single row. I can select the entire row by selecting this row here. So I'll just select this. In Home tab, we have the cells, and here insert, just click here and click on this insert sheet rows. If I click on this, a new row is inserted. Next option is by mouse click. Let's select this row and right click. We have this option insert. Select this insert. You can see there is a row which get inserted. We can insert the row by shortcut key. We have two different shortcut keys. One is Alt plus I plus R or Control Shift plus. I will show you both the ways. When I'm using this Alt IR, I don't have to select the entire row. I can select any of the cells in that row where I need to insert. Press Alt IR. You can see that the entire row is inserted. But when I'm using this Control Shift plus, select the entire row and press Control Shift plus. Simultaneously, we can insert a single row. Next option. Suppose if you want to insert multiple rows. If you want to insert multiple rows, let's select the number of rows I need to insert. I selected 3 rows here. Let's select this insert and insert sheet rows. You can see that multiple rows are inserted. Same thing we can do it by using mouse click. Let's select 3 rows here. Right click, click on insert. We get 3 blank rows inserted. We can insert multiple row by using the shortcut key as well. Let's select 3 rows, Alt plus I plus R. You can see that 3 rows got selected. So you have to select the number of rows to be inserted. Then you can use the shortcut key or mouse click, or you can use the tab option here, that is in cells. If you want to insert the entire row, we can use the Control Shift plus shortcut key as well. Let's select 3 rows and hold Control Shift and press plus. You can see that 3 rows have been inserted. All right. Now I want to insert a row, but not the entire row. Suppose if I select and click insert, you can see that the entire row has been inserted and we are getting a new row in this table as well. My requirement is just to insert only in this table. In that case, select the cells where you want to insert, select the row where you want to insert, and we'll go to this insert option. And this time I'll not use this insert sheet rows. I'll click on this insert cell. When I click on this insert cell, it will ask for an option, that is shift cells down. Say OK. You can see that there is a row which got inserted only in the table what we have selected, not in the other table. Next option, we can do the same thing by mouse click as well. Let's select the row, right click, and here we have the insert option. Let's click on this. We'll get the same insert window. We'll select this shift cells down, say OK. We can use shortcut key as well for inserting the cells here. Let's select the cells. We'll use this shortcut key Alt H I and again I. We get this again the same window, insert, shift cells down, say OK. We can also use this Control Shift plus, which will help us in inserting the rows like what we had, rows to be inserted in only the table where we have selected. Next option. Suppose if I have a table, if this range has been converted to table, here also we can insert the rows only in that particular table what we have selected. Let's select this table, range, and convert this into table. You can also use shortcut key Control T. Now this is the table. If you want to insert a row here, select the cells in this table, go to this home tab. Here we have this insert and we'll select this insert cells, or for the table we get a new option that is insert table rows above. Either I can use insert cells or I can use this insert table rows above. I'll click on this. You can see that one row has been inserted. We can do the same thing by mouse click as well. I'll select this range, convert this into table, say OK. Now let's select the row where we need to insert. Right click. You can see that the insert has got new options now, that is table rows above, table columns to the left. But the same thing, if I select here and right click, you can see that I don't get that option because this is not table, this is just a normal range. Let's select the row where I need to insert. Right click, insert. I'll select table rows above. You can see that I'm getting this row inserted. Next is, if I have a table here, I can use shortcut key also to insert the row. Let's select the row. Here we have this Alt plus H plus I plus A. Press Alt H I A. You can see that there is a row which gets inserted. Next option is, we can insert the rows between the filtered rows as well. Let's see how we can insert the rows between filtered rows. Let's select this customer name and select any of the option and try to filter it. We can see that the data is filtered. Let's select the row where we need to insert the rows. Hold Control and select the rows where we need to insert. And here in this insert option, we can say select this option that is insert sheet rows. Or you can also use all the shortcut keys what we just discussed, or we can also right click here and we can insert. Now if I click on this insert row, you can see that the rows have been inserted just below the row where we had selected the row. Now I will remove these filters. You can see that a row has been inserted. Next option, insert multiple rows between. Now here I have so many rows. I want to insert a single row just below each row here. For this, what you have to do is hold Control and select all the rows. Hold Control, don't select like this. If you select like this, we cannot insert the rows on every alternative rows here. So what you have to do is hold Control and select all the rows like this, one by one. I'm just selecting all the rows by holding Control key. And now I can use all the options like right click and insert, or go to this insert and say insert sheet rows, or I can also use shortcut key. So any of the option you can use, and I'll just select this insert sheet rows. If I click on this, you can see that I'm getting a blank row in the cells what you have selected, or say the row what you have selected. In every row what I've selected, just below that I'm getting the rows inserted. This is for single row. Next, we can insert rows by using sorting as well. The sorting option can also be used for inserting rows. But how is this sorting and insert rows are related? I will show you. If you want to insert some rows here, just below this every row, we can use the option sorting. First, we have to decide how many rows I need to insert. Assume that I want to insert 3 blank rows after every rows here. So this is a very simple task what we can do. I will just take the serial numbers. Say 1, 2 and just drag it. So I'm getting this serial number. Now we have to decide how many rows we need. My requirement is 3 blank rows. Just copy this serial number what we generated and then paste the number of blank rows we need. I'm just pasting it 3 times because I need 3 blank rows. Now select the table along with the serial number what we have generated till here and go to this data, click on this sort. While sorting, we'll take this column we just created the serial number, say column G. Let it be smallest to largest, say OK. So what happens is the numbers which we had given the serial numbers that will get aligned here. It will get sorted so that the blank rows which are below that will come on top. It makes us feel that there are rows which got inserted. Now if you see the rows which just got inserted, some of them will not be formatted here because we had formatted only this table. If you want to format the entire table, let's copy this one row and then we'll select and paste special. Alt plus E plus S, I'll get this paste special, or I can go to this home tab. There we have this paste special, or right click and say paste special. Select this values, formats, and then select this formats to paste the formats. Say OK. The entire table is formatted. If you think that I need to increase the row height, select the table. Then we can go to this home tab and here I have this format, row height. Let's give 25. Say enter. Now if you see, I'll get the entire table formatted. Along with that, I also have 3 blank rows which are inserted. Now let's delete the serial number what you've generated. Now it is such easy to insert the number of rows I need. If it is a single row, you can also use this option, but here this will take a lot of time because we are manually selecting something. But you can use the sorting method to quickly insert the number of rows I need. It can be one row or multiple rows. So this is what I have in this video. I hope this video was useful. Once again, if you guys want the link for offline videos of all the courses and packages what we conduct, please do contact us with the numbers given below and the email ID what is available. We provide you the link for downloading the offline videos where you can download it once and you can learn the entire course or the packages what we provide. And this will be very less price, very affordable price. You can get the link. I hope this video was very useful. If you think that it's useful, please do share. And if you like this video, please give a like. And also, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, which will encourage us a lot to create more videos like this. And keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.